Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up the next week in our horizontal spreads. It's Valentine's week, and I've got these sticker books that I pulled from and another wax spread for you guys this week. So it is Valentine's week, as I mentioned before, and yeah, I just thought it would be a good excuse to use these really pretty florals from the new flowers sticker book. So I decided to pull those out and use those here, and then I'm going to be doing some watercolor accents with these hearts as my checklists, keeping it simple. I'm going to stick with the pinks, purples, and reds to kind of tie in with the flowers that you're seeing there. As another color to add in, because it was getting a little bit busy, I decided to use the gold foil as like my neutral color, if that makes any sense. So I had the red, the pink, the purple, and I didn't want to add in black or another color to just make it more cluttered feeling, so I stuck with the gold as a more of a neutral tone, like a gray, in other spreads. So that's what I'm going to do. So the gold is really going to be the accent color. I decided to do here on the spine, these are both corner, well not both corner, but they're both florals, but they're not meant to go together. But I kind of saw that they looked pretty close when you lined them up a certain way when I was doing the wax paper spread. And I really wanted the flowers to be there on the centerpiece for balance, because I'm going to use the opposite corner there on the bottom right for the other set of flowers that I have in that same color scheme. So in order to do that, I was going to try to put them in both corners, but I didn't have 4 corners. I only had 3, and a side piece of flowers, which you saw me cut a minute ago. The best balance for the spread really worked out to have those clustered there together in the middle, and then kind of make a triangle with the florals, which you'll see. This is a very basic setup for me. I've got my checklist, my focus boxes. I try to add a little decor every day, and then I mix up like where I'm laying out the check boxes versus the focus boxes and the decor, just to try to make it feel a little bit more random. There on Friday, as I'm setting that up, I have a Valentine's Day sticker in gold, which I think I got that and only that maybe out of the mom sticker book. And then just kind of setting up the rest of the spread for my normal day-to-day. So nothing really too unique. There's really no cutting of the florals here. I just tried to make sure that they were balanced as far as weight and size in the corners. I prefer to cut my own stickers so that I can make it a little bit more unique as far as how I'm styling the page, but since these stickers are already pre-done as far as cut off into sharp edges on the sides, and then they're also on paper, so there wasn't a lot of thought involved. I just needed to make sure that they balanced out well. I prefer, though, to use like clear stickers and then make that all happen when I do it for myself. I'm going to try to use this last piece that I cut off here like I like to do. I don't think I'm going to be able to do too much with it since it's already kind of cut into a corner, but I think with a little finagling I can make it look like it's organic here and part of the stickers. So I'm going to try to stick that guy in there. Once I get that kind of settled in, I pulled out my hole puncher so that I can punch through the stickers instead of trying to cut around, and we'll see how that works. You guys know the hole puncher is a little bit difficult sometimes. And then once we get that all set up, we will be done, friends. Super quick, super fast, just because I really didn't have any things to move around. But I hope you guys enjoyed this anyway. If you did, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up down below, and maybe a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!